Both the teams that have stepped up and looked fabulous. All protocols observed. I hope I've not neglected to mention anybody. The first speaker I'd like to welcome up here to say a few words is Mr. Nigel Pilling of the South African Polo Association.
Good evening. Can you hear me? I normally know the microphone. Welcome everybody from both Pakistan and India. We're thrilled to have you here playing your zonal playoff matches, and it's going to be very interesting for ourselves. We just played a 14-goal tournament against England and went on very well on the same field. Very close game, which we fortunately won in 9 seconds. So we'll be very interested from a polo point of view, which is my interest, to see how we match up to you two countries which have got a great history and a great past in polo. I firstly need to thank our few people who have been involved with this. Craig and his team, and Davey and your team, well done. And I know it's always much more involved than you think it's going to be. I'm sure it has been, but thanks very much from Saba's point of view for standing in there, doing such a good job so far. To the Indian Polo Association and the Pakistan Polo Association, thank you. If they're represented tonight, I haven't met. I'd like to meet you before the weekend's over, and to you and all your team players and officials, you're very, very welcome. To the captains of the two teams, Rami, Raja Sami and Sawai, welcome to you and your players. I hope you all enjoy both the horses and the fields you're going to play on, and I hope it's safe, and I hope you don't have any problems out there, and we'll be all finding our team to support over the next few days, depending on how much drinks you buy each of us. Long way to come for 2 games, so I'm sure Davey and Craig will make every effort to make this couple of games as good as they should be. And I hope you all enjoy the horses and the fields that we're given. I know many in FIP are wondering why a country with 500 players such as us, and a country that can field a 28-goal side, is not taking part in FIP. I'm not going to get into that now, but to say in the future we will. I'm sure we will. We've had a tough year in South Africa coming out of COVID. We've had terrible weather, and the centre of polo in this country is in Natal, and they were seriously affected by floods for several months. But put all our events back to a point where we couldn't make that decision at that time, as we had to do to be part of this great event. So lastly, as I said earlier, we're looking forward to watching you play, and we hope you all enjoy it. And I'd like to say good luck to you all. I don't have a preference. Thank you very much.
Thank you. First of all, I must thank the South African Polo Association, Pakistan Polo Association, for offering me this opportunity to exchange views with the players and the team leaders, and also an opportunity to thank South Africa Polo Association for the great organizing role and in making these matches happen. Thank you so much. I'm very happy to see these young players and very senior team leaders coming to South Africa with a strong zeal of sportsman spirit. I'm sure in your matches tomorrow and on Sunday, you will display the highest level of sportsman spirit and the real spirit of polo. I'm sure you have my good wishes, and we wish you good luck. Thank you.
Nigel, President of the South African Polo Association.
pray. First of all, I would like to thank everybody from the South African Polo Association and all those people who are involved in managing the process, organizing the tournament. We really appreciate all the efforts that have gone into this. We, the Pakistan team, would also like to thank the Indian team to come and play with us, and we wish them all the best. And we're looking forward to a very good polo, so that we can, who'll be sitting outside, should also enjoy the game. Sorry, I forgot the ladies. I must thank you all, because they have also been part of the management, and they really put their heart and soul into it, and we saw it yesterday. Thank you very much, everyone.
Last number one, please. Could the team please come back up again? Just 2 players on either side of Nigel, just for a team.